This is a fit for a 2016 through 2018 and likely beyond Mini Clubman with factory installed flush side rails and factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Motion XT 16 cubic foot rooftop cargo box, here featured in gloss black. This is part number 6297B. We found this size to be a perfect fit for this size vehicle. No interference with the rear antenna. Overall excellent proportions. This box measures 77 inches in length, 36 inches wide, and 17 inches high. It weighs in at 42 pounds. It offers up to 165 pound load capacity. However, on these bars, max load capacity is 123 pounds. It can accommodate skis measuring up to 180 centimeters in length. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.